Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative products to give you the inside scoop. Today, we have something special for all our outdoor enthusiasts out there. The Collegians Oversized Camping Outdoor Chair. Let's jump right in. Are you tired of flimsy camping chairs that just can't handle the weight or provide the comfort you need? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations because the Collegians Oversized Camping Chair is here to revolutionize your outdoor experience. First off, let's talk about stability and security. This chair is built like a tank, with reinforced steel supports that are 50% thicker than usual. It's designed to withstand up to 400 pounds. That's more than double the weight of your average camping chair. Setting up camp has never been easier with this chair's unique folding mechanism. And when it's time to hit the road, it compacts down to just 5.9 inches by 42 inches, making it incredibly portable. Now, let's talk comfort. The Collegians chair features an extended design for more legroom, adjustable armrests, and lumbar pillows to ensure a comfortable sitting position from any angle. Whether you're lounging by the beach or sitting around the campfire, this chair has got your back, literally. But wait, there's more. This chair comes equipped with a built-in cooling bag to keep your beverages icy cold on those hot summer days. Plus, there's a multifunctional storage bag for all your outdoor essentials, from sunscreen to snacks. And let's not forget about durability. The Collegians chair is constructed using high-density 600D Oxford fabric that's weather-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. Plus, the anti-rust hammer powder coating ensures that this chair will last you for years to come. So, whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip or just lounging in your backyard, the Collegians Oversized Camping Chair is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. Don't settle for flimsy chairs that can't keep up. Upgrade to the Collegians experience today. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy adventuring. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.